Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and yeah, this is another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you a detailed video in making a sleeve. It's a pattern which you can recreate into your fabric. So what we need in this tutorial video, we'll be needing 3 measurements. We'll be needing your armhole, we'll be needing your bicep, and your sleeve length measurement. So also, what you will need apart from this is you will need a pattern paper where you can draft it before you can move it into your fabric, so you can, for beginners, so you won't waste fabric, right? So let's go over to the tutorial. But before we go over to the tutorial, if you're new here, yeah, the voice behind this is Okogene, and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's go over to the tutorial. So first of all, what we're going to do here is we're going to take the measurements. So for this, we have the bicep and the sleeve length, the armhole. So the first thing we're doing at this tip here, we'll be taking a 5-inch. We're taking 5-inch down, right? 5-inch below. It's a constant measurement. It's very constant. So what we're going to do is place your tape like this and mark your 5-inch. Mark your 5-inch, and then you rule out. So the next measurement you're going to take is this 13, which is the sleeve length, right? So you do the same thing again, and this is 13, and this is 13. So you rule out. So this is what you'll be using. This is the sleeve length. So let me fix it like this so we can see. So this is the sleeve length, and this is, let's just tag this bicep, right? So let's tag this bicep. So what we'll be doing next is we'll be taking this bicep divided by 2, which is 7. So we'll mark 7 here, right? And at this 7, we are going to curve it to the tip of this point. So why do it? So what you will do now is, after you curve it, I did a dotted line. So we're going to measure this point if it is up to the armhole divided by 2, which is 9. So this is 4, this is 7, which is 9 on the dot. But what we're going to do next is we'll add 1 inch allowance to it, and then we'll take this 11, which is the round sleeve. The sleeve length, the round part of it is 11, so which is 5.5, 5.5. Then we'll take 1 inch, and then we'll take 1 inch here, right? And then we'll connect. So we'll connect, and then we'll also connect this line to join this. don't know if you can see. So it's like you're trying to draw S shape, but like you're trying to get. So what we're going to do next is to take the allowance, which is 1 inch for the sleeve. Right. You can take it along as you're taking your sleeve length measurement. So what we're going to do next is we are going to cut it out. So this is after I finish cutting it out. So at this point, right, for you can do it now. This is 7, right? You can get the midpoint, which is 3.5, or you can get 4 inch and you roll it up, either 3.5 or 4. So let's do this is 3.5, so half of it, right, and then we roll it up. So at this point you're going to take half inch down. I didn't mean it's 1 inch, half inch down. So you're going to curve this point to here and curve this to here. Why the front is like this is the front is actually going to be deeper. The right side is going to be deeper than the back. So if you can see, I don't know if you can see it, you see that the back is not as like this. So what you're going to do here is right and document here as left, or you can do front and back, either way. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, do not forget to like, comment and share. If you're a subscriber, thank you for sticking with me all through. If you're a new subscriber and you've been on my channel for the first time watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe. See you again in the next tutorial. Bye.